These two IBC tanks, 1,000 litres each, and they filled up within about 6 weeks. That's how much rain we have. And just off of that small roof, which is a double stable roof. I've joined the two of them up at the bottom, so one filters into the other, the hose pipe. The other hose pipe feeds the irrigation system in the polytunnel, and to get water to the polytunnel I have constructed a pump system. This is just a pump that's used for caravans and that sort of thing, mobile homes. And I have an on-off switch, and that is linked to a 12 volt battery which is in that box there, which in turn is trickle charged by a 10 watt solar panel. Now, I haven't used this for a full season, so I don't know if that solar panel will be man enough to actually keep the battery charged, but I'm hoping it will be, because the pump will not be on permanently, and therefore it should, I hope, hold the charge throughout the season. I then run a hose pipe from the pump under the wood chips. I've constructed raised beds on the inside. These were all filled up with horse manure last year. My intention is to re-top them up, but at the moment they have sunk quite a bit, as you can see. We have carrots in there, a few lettuce growing. We've just been harvesting a bit from. Most exciting of all is my irrigation system, which is fed from two IBC tanks outside. The feed goes into this timer, which I bought last year, and you can have that either on timer or on manual. That in turn goes into this valve with on-off switches for the water system, and you can either leave them permanently on or switch them off. I have one, this one, feeding these raised beds this side. The middle one comes down and is going to be watering my tomatoes, which are going in the middle there. And then the third feed, she goes to that raised bed over there, which is a bit chaotic at the moment, and I haven't got the irrigation system in, but I have the pipe for it. It's just a question of having to tidy up and getting the irrigation system in to feed that raised bed that side. So just to demonstrate how it works, water on, pump on, and there we are. Take you into the tunnel. Now it's timer to manual, then start. You can hear the pump running, I think. This valve is on, and so is this one. So this valve is doing this raised bed along here, and this valve is coming down and into the centre bed, hopefully in the near future we'll start to see some drips coming. There we are, just starting to filter through. I'm so excited about irrigation system. Yeah. And the equipment for the solar panel I purchased from Amazon.